Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College. As you see, this is our part 2 of drawing our pulley by using SolidWork. Let me remind you that the first part was designing or drawing by using technical drawing. The second one is this, and third one will be machining the pulley by using lathe machine. Let's start. Here we have SolidWork 2023. Double click and wait a moment. Let's wait. Then click on part. As you see here, we have front plane, top plane, right plane. Let's take front plane, then click normal tool. For the sketch, let's take center line, and let's take line. Yes. Go to smart dimensions. Here we have 30. Here we have 15. Yes. Here we have 10. Yes. Let's apply some relation. Click here, control, and here. Make them equal. Here we have 5, and also here is 5. Here we have 10. Here we have 5. Yes. Here we have from here up to the center. It's that hole. It's radius of our hole, which has diameter of 20. We have to put 10. Here up to the center line we have 10. Yes. Then through features, let's revolve both about 360 degrees, then click OK. Yes, this is our pulley. Click here, then normal tool, sketch, then center line, escape. Here we have to put a QA, so we go here and select line. Yes. Smart dimensions. Here we have 5. We have to get 2.5. Here we have, it is 2.5. Then for features, we have to select extruded cut. Yes. Click here, through all, then click OK. Yes, this is QA. You may come here and click here, appearance, then apply materials. Here we have to select metal. In metals, you may select any metal you want. Example, aluminum, platinum. Let's select silver. You may choose any material you want. You may select any material you want, but right now let's use aluminum. Yes, this is our pulley. Let's save it, and then you have to continue by putting it on drawing sheet and show its views. Save as, yes, on desktop. Let's call it pulley, then save. It is here. Let's continue by putting it on drawing sheet and show its views. Control N, then drawing. Yes, okay. This is our drawing sheet. Then you come here and click in sheet 1. Right click, properties. Then this sheet 1, you may call it another name you want. Scale is 1:1. Then let's use first angle. Yes, and apply changes. As you see, this is title block. You may fill it by using this title, date, name. Yes, finish, material, scale 1:1. Yes, and other informations. Yes, after this, we are going to put our views on our drawing sheet. We come here in standard 3 views, then you pulley, then drag here. As you see, this is our views: front view, left side view, and top one. Double click, then show or hide, then show hidden edges, and here right click, show or hide, show hidden edges, and also on this view. Yes, I have to remove this one and putting cutting plane here. It may be better to show you the internal structures of this pulley. Yes, this is the keyway. As you see, this is our hole with 20 diameter. Yes, this is sectional top view. Yes, the next step is to put dimensions on our views. Click here, annotation, then modular items, then select here. Yes, those are our dimensions. Here we have 10, as you know, 30, this is radius of 10, 15. Yes, here it is 5, and here it is 5 also. Here we have 10, here we have 2.5. Yes, this is our keyway. It is 5 and 2.5 from the center. I think that these dimensions are clear. Yes, click OK. Yes, let's continue. Here we have to put other one. It is that pulley which is in solid. Then in drawing you have to select model view, pulley. Then here we have to select this one. Then select this one, as you have to put it in isometric view. Yes, this is our pulley, as you see. This is the left side view, this is the keyway, this is front view and dimensions, and this is sectional top view, as you see. Here also we have title block to fill it where. Click annotation, click here, then for example in name, drawn by Gilbert Hakizimana, let me write Gilbert. Yes, let me use font size of 6. Yes, Gilbert. Then date 18 July 2024. As you see, this is the name, this is the date. Here we may put title. Yes, title. It's front, left side, and sectional top view of pulley. Yes, this is our title. Front, left side, and top sectional view of pulley. Yes, here there is name, there is date. Name is pulley. Drawing number 1. Drawing sheet, scale. Yes, you may fill other information here. Checked by comment, material, it's aluminum, but let's use these 3: name, date, and the title. Scale is here, as you see, and this is our views: front view, left side view, and top, which is sectioned, and this isometric. I think this is enough. Our part 2 is ended by here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless you. See you again.